A lot of people consider that vaping is a much safer option to smoking cigarettes. So many individuals who want to stop smoking cigarettes, who have developed a habit of smoking on a regular basis, feel that shifting to vaping might be a safer alternative and might help them in getting rid of tobacco addiction. But why is vaping not a good idea? Yes, vaping in a way is safer as compared to smoking cigarettes in just one way. That is, that when a person smokes tobacco, tobacco is a known carcinogenic. That is something that can lead to cancer. Tobacco has near to 5 to 7,000 kind of different chemicals that can cause a variety of lung related issues and can increase a risk of a person developing different kind of cancers starting from the mouth, lungs, esophagus, bladder, so on and so forth. When a person takes vapes, that risk is something that goes down. However, there are a lot of other risks and problems because of which vaping is not a good idea. One, vaping contains different kind of chemicals and oils such as acetaldehyde, formaldehyde, which are necessary for the production of aerosols and the smoke, which then helps the person to inhale it. These have been found to also be damaging to the lung on a longer run and can give rise to a variety of issues such as chronic cough, pneumonia and pneumonitis, and can also cause permanent damage to the lung, which can be irreversible. Next, a lot of people who shift to vaping later on find that vaping becomes even more addicting as compared to smoking. Why does this happen? This is because the cartridges that are available for vaping have different strengths of nicotine. There can be something that is from a milder to something that is very extra strong and contains much higher content of nicotine, up to 15 to 18 grams. So because of this, a person might end up taking even more nicotine on a daily basis, which he would have otherwise taken if he would have been smoking cigarettes. So one might end up getting even more addicted to nicotine when a person shifts to vapes. Thirdly, because of the nature of vaping, it doesn't create the same kind of a smell which would otherwise come when a person smokes cigarettes. We see so many individuals who shift to vaping and then start keeping vapes or hiding them in their office room, in their cars and their vehicles, in the house, and just start with taking one puff or two when they're feeling anxious at their workplace. And since it is undetectable and nobody realizes, that becomes an added concern because when you're able to do it so easily, it's quite natural that there is a higher risk of developing a tendency to do it again and again. So we have seen so many individuals who have multiple vapes, who keep them in different places, in their workplace, in their vehicles, in their home, and because of this develop even more and more of a habit of taking nicotine. So on a very superficial level, vaping might seem like a very safer alternative to smoking cigarettes, but if you really want to quit tobacco, then it could be a very bad idea. Thank you.